Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Levar, back again with the quick mobile edit. I'm going to be editing another quick 30-second video that I'm going to post to my firework account. Again, my firework account, you can check in the link down in the description if you guys want to check it out there. But anyways, just a quick another mobile filmmaking tip. This time we're going to be doing the partial orbit, where you slightly just orbit the camera around your subject. I wish I had more people to film because this really works well with people, but I found a couple of objects that I tried to do it. So let's get into this quick edit here. So
yo guys, what up? In this quick tip video, I'm going to show you the partial orbit.
Okay, the partial orbit. Right when I say that, I'm going to go ahead and separate my audio. When I say the partial orbit, I want to actually show you a quick example of that. And I did film a quick shot of this. I used just the Samsung stock app. Nothing special. I filmed everything in portrait mode. So what I'll do here is go ahead and click on this, separate this audio. We don't need this. Delete that, and let's put this up on top. And again, where I say
partial orbit, which is the partial orbit.
Boom. I'm going to slide this into position right there and show you a quick example. Back it up.
Orbit, which is basically slowly.
Okay, getting interference.
Just basically slowly.
Now see, I had this issue sometimes where like the video, I guess, I don't know, I think in the background it's kind of like loading or compiling in the cache. But okay, here's the partial orbit. So you can see it's kind of jittery there in the front. So what I'm going to do is just trim the clip down to right where the actual move starts to happen, which is right about there.
Which is basically slowly orbiting around your subject.
Boom.
Super quick.
That's pretty cool. Hang on, let me see more earlier.
Orbit, which is video. I'm going to show you the partial orbit, which is basically slowly orbiting around.
Boom. Good. Partially okay.
Around your subject. Super quick and easy tip that you can use when you're out filming.
Okay, now I'm gonna just actually add another quick. Let's just do a quick back to me.
Orbiting around your subject.
Boom. Actually orbiting around my subject. Okay, now let's add another example in. I have another really good example. Where was it? Oh, this temple piece head right here. This was another good example. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and click on that, separate audio. I'll drag that up to the up. Let's actually delete that. We don't need that. Drag this up to the top. Okay.
Orbiting around your subject.
And the orbit starts. Yeah, I think it's compiling in the background. I've noticed this. I've been having this issue. Plus, I'm also running the screen recorder, so I might be taxing the system a little bit. I think.
Around your subject. Super quick and easy.
Okay, guys, I actually went back. I had a bunch of apps running in the background, so I cleared all those apps out. That's one thing you might want to do if you're running this, and I think that helped. Oh, that helped tremendously. Okay, so getting back in here, I wanted to see.
Orbiting around your subject.
Orbiting around your subject, and then get to subject. I wanted to switch to a subject.
Orbiting around your subject.
Let's see right there.
Orbiting around your subject. Super quick and easy tip that you can use when you're out filming.
Boom. Okay, and then I guess something you can do when you're out filming, just a quick reaction shot.
You can use when you're out filming.
Boom. Okay, then here, let's cut. Actually, I don't even really think I need that there. We could have just left it, but hang on, let's add in another example. Now, the rest of the examples I really didn't like. They didn't come out the way I wanted them. Again, it works best when you're using an actual person. Let's see, what was the other shots that I kind of took? Okay, I had these two here, and I had this one. Let's also add these in here.
Yo guys, what up, Levar? 3, 2, 1. Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Levar. Quick.
Oh, wrong clip. Delete that. And let's let it compile for a second. Okay, good.
Filming.
Actually, I don't like that reaction shot. I'm gonna trim it right up to the edge. Let's just trim it right up to the next one.
Use when you're out filming.
No. Let's extend this one. Okay.
Tip that you can use when you're out filming.
Boom. Now the move starts kind of right there, a little bit late. So the move starts right about there. Let's trim that. Okay. And that's not a really good example of a partial orbit there. It's just, you can't really tell it. Same thing there. Really not good examples, but hey, you know, can't be perfect. I'm out practicing. Let's see.
Filming.
Okay, and then right when I change directions, let's kill it right before that. Then this one worked out pretty good. That's a good one right there. Boom, and then kill it right there. And how did this start? Let's get a little bit more into the move, like right there. Okay, good. So what is that? That's 19 seconds. My maximum time is 30 seconds. Let me see if I can add one more clip in. I think I took one other shot. Oh, this one was okay, but again, it didn't come out that great. These partial orbits work really good, like on people and faces, guys. Okay, that one's kind of okay. We got the Nikon sim there in the background. Plus, it looked like it was I was trying to use the tracking focus that time, and it didn't work out the way I wanted to. That's why I just go to manual, always manual. Okay, hang on, it's trying to compile this file here. Boom, and then I'll kill that, just a quick one. And then what I'll do is add in my quick little logo here. I saved a JPEG and I cropped it down to 1080 by 1920, which is hang on, that's the wrong one. This one here. It says it brings in PNGs, but for some reason the PNG, I keep getting some like weird artifacting on it. So and then check it out. This is cool. You tap on it, right? Go down here to transform, and then just hit fit. Boom, and it fits it right into the frame. Perfect. So boom, and then we'll go into that. Let's put a little transition on that. Let's transition into, let's just go to fade to black since it's at the end there, and I'll zoom in here, and we don't need this one, and we can delete that one. And let's see. Nice. All right, good. Now quickly what I want to do is just add some music in here. I'll jump in here, go down to media, back out of the photos, jump into audio. I already downloaded a couple tracks from Artlist. Again, guys, I have a link down in the description for Artlist. You can jump on there and get 2 free additional months added to your subscription. So I already have a track here that I downloaded. Yeah, this one right here. A little bit of Tribe Called Quest vibe on this one. And I'm gonna actually just kind of get it into the guts of the song, more into the upbeat parts of the song. And now also what I'll do is click on the track audio and turn on auto ducting. So while I'm talking, it will basically bring down the volume. Let it compile that, and let's see. And also what I want to do here is throw a transition on this, on the audio, fade in, and that will fade out. And let's do a fade in here and then delete this one because we don't need that one there. Okay, let's see what we got.
Yo guys, what up? In this quick tip video, I'm going to show you the partial orbit, which is basically slowly orbiting around your subject. Super quick and easy tip that you can use when you're out filming.
Okay, it worked out here, but this extra little bit of audio at the end, let's drag that in to there.
An easy tip that you can use when you're out filming.
Boom. And then I'll go ahead and take this track here and cut it. Boom. Take this one we don't need, delete it. And here I like to just one more time grab it and let it snap. Actually let it snap there to the end of the video. And then also here, let's put a quick transition on it on the end. There, boom. So we got transition on both sides. All right, guys, boom, that's it. That's just a quick little edit on what I'm going to be using for, I'll post this on the YouTube also, but the main objective, I post these to Firework. Again, guys, I have, if you guys want to share your videos and photos, down in the description, I have the Discord server. You can check that out. And I also have the art list link down there, and my Firework account is also on there. So keep having fun, take care of each other, keep filming. This is Patrick Levar. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.